Let's get into these eyelashes. Once the eyelashes come on, what's up, Bullhead gang? It's Vicky. Now, I know y'all see me looking a little crazy right here, right now, but this is actually about to change over the course of time here today. Originally, I had appointments to go get my eyelashes done, my hair done. I mean, I honestly lost almost like $100 just in deposits. If you're new here, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now down below. So I usually use this professional glue right here that I'm showing you guys called Adele. I'll go ahead and put the link in my description box, but I'm using this hair glue today. So I did go ahead and dab the eyelash into the glue, and I went ahead and made it just slightly tacky to go ahead and stick. I did this a couple of times. You see right here, I'm dipping the eyelash glue. It's already overly saturated as it is, but I went ahead and worked with it anyways. Once it became tacky, it was ready to go ahead and apply it to your eyelash. And now for me, I put my eyelashes under my eyelash line. It actually seemed to secure just a little bit more. Okay, so what I did in this instance was I applied my extra long eyelashes to both ends of my eyes, elongating my eyelash line. Once I completed that, I went ahead and started filling in the eyelashes on one eye at a time. I tried to zoom in so y'all can see how I was applying it myself, and then also using that fan to dry the glue in between each lash lay. So again, I went ahead and I applied all the eyelashes under my eyelid line, and then I'm gonna go ahead in the next clip and apply it on top. Just making sure that you're always safe when you're dealing with those tweezers near your eyes. So since I showed y'all that, this is what my eyelash is looking like, top, bottom. This is what it's looking like. I look crazy on one side. Now I know I got glue right here, and I'll take care of that once I get upstairs in my bathroom. Alright, so as you see, I have both sets of eyelashes on. Oh my gosh, let me fix my collar. I did not use the full palette of eyelashes, and I did the top, like the top of them and the bottom. My hands are really dry. Sorry. Don't come from me in the comments. Like, I know, first of all, who is in the comments? Comment down below if you in the comments. Thank you. Okay, so, like I hear a whole bunch of YouTubers really like, oh, when you're doing your eyelashes, it should be tacky, da-da-da-da-da. For me, I would rather have the eyelash wet. If you are an eyelash tech and you're watching my video right now, could you comment down below what kind of eyelash glue that y'all use? Also, I know my technique is not necessarily the best technique. Don't forget that these eyelashes just need to last me until the weekend, the end of the weekend, really. Yeah, looks good as fuck. So I know probably someone's gonna look this up, but the first to comment down below the name of the purple, was she octopus? Purple octopus in Little Mermaid. If you know her name, I will cash app you. Make sure you drop her name down below in the comment box, and also drop your cash app. Because that's what I feel like I look like when I just did that. Who knows her name? I think. Yeah, like, is this the final look? Yeah, I'll be turning 31 again. Thank you for, well, not again, I'm not turning 31 again, but thank y'all for watching. This is pretty much my final look for my birthday. Just to make sure all the lashes were secure, I used this Bullhead. Let's get into it. So like I said, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Tell your cousins and them, aunties and them. You know what I'm saying? You need to get your eyelashes, then you need to do your eyelashes, and you got fresh time. Baby, you can do it. Also, let me know, are you a lash strip girly or are you an individual girly? Which one? And if you're individual girly, are you individual girly or are you a cluster individual girly? Because I'm a cluster individual girly. I always have, never gonna change it. So I think it looks great on me. And do this hair, that's gonna be my next video. I don't know if I'm gonna post that video right after this. I mean not, I don't know, we'll see. But like I said, y'all, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl. I'm gonna be having plenty of content to come. So I'll see y'all later.